Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. US CPI rally and nursing strike flat on. Tomorrow was moving market by Gavin Smith. The US released consumer inflation data for August, a key input for the Federal Reserve's data for August, a key input for the Federal Reserve's meeting next week. A rally strike lumps lager will while over 1,500 nurses are on strike in Minnesota looking for a 27% virus strong earnings give stock a buoyant mood in market and very MC country is cleaning house are Pluton. Russia gets a new headquarters to worry about office will public is latest forecasts for global oil demands in its monthly report. Here what you need to know in financial markets on Tuesday, September 30th. First, inflation nation. The big event of the week is U1 US as the US will report consumer inflation figures for August at 30 at 12:30 GMT with all that means for the Federal Reserve Policy meeting next week. Analysis experts freezes to have balance of on the month by a measure 0.1% for the first time since May 2020 and 20 owing owing to owing to the low and steady decline in collusion freezes from the summer break. They had continued their decline since the end of the month and have now fallen for 30 surging weeks. That will take the annual headline rates down for a second starting month to 80.1%. Stay painful about a full point below is Jan Afrique. However, this thing in the tail will be in the core CFCVE numbers with stripped out gasoline prices and which will show how broadly inflation pressures have spread through the rest of the economy. Core CVE is expected to have risen 0.3% on the month, a slowdown from July, while the annual headline rate is expected to rise to 6.1%. The flying chicken on the railroad and in the hospital are not looking for real world adjustment of inflation. Anyone looking for real world resilience of inflation ratios can find them just as easily as is in actually in the current state of relation. Thank you very much. Thank you for attention, and then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you next time.